Morning everyone. Very good morning. My name is Akila. I am studying in 5th grade. Confidence words. Safe. S-A-F-E. Safe. Surakshitam. Special. S-P-E-A-S-I-A-L. Special. Pratyeka. Brave, B-R-A-V-E, brave, ధైర్యం. Positive, P-O-S-I-T-I-V-E, positive. సానుకూల. Humble, H-U-M-B-L-E, humble. వినయం. Truthful, T-R-U-T-H-F-U-L, truthful. నిజాయితీ. Confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, confident. నమ్మకం. Unique, U-N-I-Q-U-E, unique, ఏకైక. Kind, K-I-N-D, kind, దయా. Creative, C-R-E-A-T-I-V-E, creative, విజయం. Important, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important, ముఖ్యమైన. Healthy, H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy, ఆరోగ్యకరమైన. Honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, నిజాయితీ. Hardworking, H-O-H-A-R-D-W-A-R-K-I-N-G, hardworking, కష్టపడి పని చేస్తున్నారు. Caring, C-A-R-I-N-G, caring, సంరక్షణ. Helpful, H-E-L-P-F-U-L, helpful, సహాయకారి. I am confident, I am safe, I am positive, I am special, I am brave, I am humble, I am confident, I am unique, I am creative, I am healthy, I am kind.
Very good, super, excellent.